In a small garden lived a cat named Loli. She was beautiful, but the most beautiful thing about her was her humility. One day, she met the cat Soso, who was boasting about her shiny, beautiful fur. Soso said proudly, "Look at me, Loli. Isn't my fur more beautiful than yours? It shines under the sun." Loli smiled and said gently, "Your fur is beautiful, Soso, but the most important thing is to have a beautiful heart as well." Soso frowned and said, "But what is the use of a beautiful heart if everyone isn't looking at you with admiration?" Loli replied wisely, "True beauty is when others love you for your kindness, not just your appearance." Soso thought for a moment and then said shyly, "I never thought of it that way before. Thank you, Loli." And from that day on, Soso undoubtedly became more humble, and Loli became her best friend.